You want all summer and afterglow. I'll keep love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to apply eyeshadow, and it's especially gonna be helpful for beginners. So first I'm gonna start by concealing underneath my brows so that it gives a clean look, and then all over my lids. Next you just need to blend the concealer. You can even use a brush. Now I'm using my loose powder to set my concealer. This gives a smooth base to apply eyeshadow. Now you need to know that this is the crease line, that's the lower lash lines, this is our brow bone, and that's the inner eye corner. Now for eyeshadow, first you need a good blending brush. You can use any eyeshadow brush, but it should be good at blending. I'm using my Morphe brush. Avoid holding your brush this way very close to your bristles, and hold it this way from the tip of your brush so that your eyeshadow doesn't look patchy. Now first I'll use this transition shade for my crease. Now start applying your eyeshadow from your crease line, and in this motion you need to blend it in and out. You can even go a little above from your crease line to create a gradient look and make it look natural. And blending is the key to a good eyeshadow look. Next you need a pencil brush like this. Take a shade that is darker than your crease area. Now apply it on the outer V of the crease line with the pencil brush. This helps to create more gradient in your eye look. Now I'm gonna take my blending brush again and start blending the color towards the mid area of my eye, also towards the outer area, to get rid of the lines I created with my pencil brush earlier. Now I need to blend it really well and packing it on just to intensify my look. Keep blending till there are no harsh lines. You need a flat or a patting brush like this, or you can even use your finger. Now I'll take this shimmer shade and I'll apply it all over my lids with the help of this flat brush, or you can even use your finger for this part, this way. If you want to make it look more glam, then you can just go with a more bright shimmer shade. It's just up to you, and you just need to apply it all over your lids. Now I'll take my blending brush again and just slightly blend it on my lids so that my shimmer does not look patchy and give it a good blending look. Now for my lower lash lines, I'm gonna take this shade and slightly apply it on my lower lines this way, and it's also gonna complete my eye look. Lastly, I'm gonna use this highlighter and apply it on my brow bone with my finger and also in the inner corner of my eyes. So with this I'm done with my eyeshadow look, and to add on you can always apply mascara and eyeliner and you're done with your eye look. Hope this was helpful and that you can enjoy these tips. If you liked my video, then please do subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends.